Hey everybody, today I'm doing a quick unboxing and comparison of two premium fintech cards I've received. The Curve Pro Plus card and the Revolut Ultra card. Both are top tier plans in their respective apps, but they offer different experiences and perks. So let's jump in and take a look at these. I'm not entirely sure which one is which. Doesn't really say, so we'll see. First, let's talk a little bit shortly about the Curve Pro Plus. The Curve Pro Plus is the highest tier, and it's a metal card from what I understand. So straight away you get that extremely premium feel in your hands, and unlike a traditional bank card, Curve works as a smart wallet card. So you connect all your cards, even the Revolut Ultra card. It can be debit cards or credit cards. You connect them to the Curve app, and then you pay with just that one card. It simplifies your wallet in an amazing way. With the Pro Plus plan, not only does the card feel extremely solid, but you also get a very generous fee-free foreign spending limit, up to 100,000 euro or pounds per month, and a fee-free ATM withdrawal of up to 1,000 euro or pounds per month. There's also a cashback at selected retailers. I think you get 10 or 12. And there's an extended go back in time flexibility where you can switch a payment between cards. So if you've paid with one and you've decided, no, that's not the account or credit card I want to pay with, you can go back, you can switch that payment. The money is going to be returned back to the card and switch back to the other card. So this is a really nice travel perk, and you also get access to airport lounges via the Lounge Key app, but I think you have to pay a little bit extra for it. Because it's a metal card, it just feels very special when you hold it. We'll see in a minute. It should be very substantial here. It's a solid card for people who travel a lot or just want a very sleek card for their other accounts. So that'll be one of these. The other one is the Revolut Ultra. This is the highest tier you can get for Revolut. The Revolut card is platinum plated. So this is similar, I believe, to the Apple card. And you should be feeling this luxury. It's part of Revolut's most exclusive plan. I think it's at a discount of 45 euro per month and normal price about 55. That's introductory price. It really is designed for travelers, lifestyle users, and anyone who wants the highest limits and benefits from their financial app. From what I understand, it has unlimited amount. So you can pay 10,000 euro speakers or 150,000 euro car with it easily with just one card. Revolut Ultra, it's more than just a card. It's a whole ecosystem. First off, the platinum card itself should look amazing. Definitely a statement piece. With Ultra, you get unlimited airport lounge access worldwide. No fees on international transfers to other accounts, and up to 2,000 euro fee-free ATM withdrawals each month. You also get global data SIM, 3 gigabytes of eSIM per month, and it renews every month. You have partner subscriptions and very comprehensive travel insurance, including trip cancellation coverage, which I think is pretty spectacular. Cashback is decent too, especially on purchases outside Europe. And you also get priority support, which is always a little welcome bonus. So if you ever need, help, you're stuck in a long chat queue, you get a priority help from the Revolut support. So yeah, that's that I think is pretty awesome. Quick comparison. Metal versus platinum plated, right? So both are, of course, platinum is also metal. But the Curve Pro is all about the smart card consolidation, the great foreign spending limits, and solid everyday perks, such as cashbacks with select retailers. You get this heavy travel tilt, I would call it. With Revolut Ultra, it leans more towards the luxury travel with lifestyle benefits, the lounge access, the robust insurance for your devices like broken iPhone, broken iPad, lost iPhone, lost iPad, etc. And of course, the striking platinum design of the card. If you want a single card travel wallet that replaces all the other cards, then this is where Curve stands out. If you want a complete premium account with travel perks, the data, the insurance, with really a show-stopping card, then Revolut Ultra really delivers on this. So yeah, that'll be, I would say, the basic comparison. The Curve Pro Plus is $99 per year, or around 17 per month, if I'm not mistaken. So this would be my theoretical comparison. Now let's get to the unboxing experience itself. Let me see if I can find anything that would tell us what is what, but I can't. They both come in black on envelopes with white text on it. One is rather slim and the other one is a little bit thicker. So let's start with the slim one. Okay, is there any clear way how to open this? No, there's no pull mechanism. So I'll just do this, tear it apart. Ooh, and inside is a Curve name, and this slides out very nicely. And here is the metal card. Just simple as that. You see the MasterCard logo and the Curve name at the top, and that's it. You just pull the card out, and whew, it's a nice and weighty card, I have to say. Yeah, it feels pretty special. It's very simple and decent. Okay, I'll place it over here, and I'm gonna go and move over to the second box. Let me just see what it says. Open the Curve app to activate. Yeah, so you have to activate the Curve card. It comes deactivated. It's going to ask for some of the data from the card to allow you the activation. Okay, so here I see a clear area where I can pull it to open, so that's good. That makes it a little bit easier for me. And here, oh my, so yeah, there's nothing over there. Revolut Ultra feels very special. So this is a soft, velvety type of feeling, extremely nice to the touch, like one of those velvet finished pens. And it says Revolut, and there's a pull mechanism which pulls it outside. Ooh, and it comes in this acrylic cover. So it says Ultra on the rear, and oh, you separate. So these are magnetic. You separate them from one another, and this is where the card comes out. So that's the card. Again, there's a MasterCard logo, and there's the Revolut logo, and that's it. So I can compare the two. This is what they look like. The Curve and the Revolut. The two highest tier, you could call them fintech cards available. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a nice experience like I did. I was very excited about getting these just to see what this actually is. The perks are pretty amazing. I definitely suggest you to Google. I'm gonna add some affiliate links. If you use them, there's gonna be a little benefit for you and I if you use them to activate your accounts. So again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.